Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to the April 2026 SheetLoad Showcase. I hope you'll stick around for lots of inspiration. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my creative team made using the latest SheetLoad of cards. And today, that is for April 2026, which was a special 5x7 bookbinding card in honor of the 80th edition of SheetLoad of cards I have shared here on my YouTube channel. If you have not yet downloaded the free printable or saw how I made my first set this month, make sure to check out the debut and process videos, which are linked in the description box below. Normally in these videos, you get a little look at what I did create for the month, but I already have those filled out and addressed to go out to some channel members. But up on screen now is a look at the first set I made. Now, if you're a channel member, make sure to check out the monthly blog or the membership tab. You do have access to the partial circle SVG cut file and that special punny sentiment I created for my set. And speaking of channel members, I have a few that I would like to recognize. I would like to give a great big shout out to the following members who recently joined and or upgraded to paper trimmer level channel membership. Thank you so very much to Jessica B, Ruby D58, Stephanie Bobenmoyer, Shelly Darcy, Janice Rassett, Scrappy Stamps and Ink, Athena Cards and More, and Sweet Pineapple Card Company. Thank you so very much for your support. Thank you as well to all of my channel members. You help to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of cards free for all subscribers. If you're not yet a member and you would like to find out more about the perks of channel membership, you can click on the join button below this video or check out the link toward the top of the description box below. Before I share a look at the cards that my team created, I would like to invite you to a special live stream that will be taking place this Sunday, April 19th, and it is the kickoff for my Spring Advent live stream series. This was supposed to be an Easter Advent live stream series, but we had to postpone it a little bit. But starting on April 24th, I will be going live 8 days straight to open and get crafting with the Gummia Pan Spring 2026 Advent Calendar. So this Sunday when we get together, I'm going to tell you all about the series and the grand prize, and we will pick a color palette that I will be using for the entire series when I get crafty. I will have this video linked in the description box below so you can set a reminder to join us. Now, just a heads up, my calendar has shipped, so I'm hoping it will get here in time for Sunday. But if I don't have it on Saturday or before, I will push it back just a little bit. But again, if you go ahead and set a reminder on that video, that will remind you when it's time. And if the time is going to be changed, I will put a post on my posts tab. Now let's go ahead and see what my creative team made this month. Up first today and featured in this month's thumbnail is Carmen from the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel. She created a set of 10 beautiful Easter cards. I am loving her focal points and how she used pattern paper for all of her pieces. Chelsea, who shares over on the Creative Chelsea YouTube channel, also used pattern paper for all of her pieces, but she created this lovely set of friendship cards. I am loving the twine nest and the delicate die cut hearts. Reagan from the Uniquely Reagan YouTube channel is going to be all ready for graduation season with her April 2026 SheetLoad cards. I am loving the color palette that she chose for her pattern papers. Justine, who shares over on her Stationery by Justine YouTube channel, created a set of cards that would be perfect for any type of encouragement. I'm loving that monochrome color palette and how she added the twine. Yvette of the Yvette Oleo Creates YouTube channel created this set of 10 beautiful floral cards. If you have not yet watched her video, you have to check it out to see how she got the different texture on top of her pattern papers by using some specialty stock. Beck Ann of the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun YouTube channel decided to build up her holiday stash with the latest sheetload of cards. I love the cute focal points and that fun trim that she has used on the left. Letty, who shares over on her Party Planner Papery YouTube channel, created a set of 10 beautiful Hello cards this month. I am loving those pattern papers she has put together. You know that Toby from the Bitty Penny YouTube channel loves a 5x7 sketch, so this month's sheetload was right up her alley. I am loving those adorable focal points and how she mimicked one of the pattern papers and used a diamond to go behind them. Lauren of Lauren Taylor Made used the April 2026 sheetload to create this set of 10 beautiful Thinking of You cards. I love the fun shape she used behind her focal sentiment and all of the added details, some of which were rub-ons. Today's showcase started with a gorgeous set of Easter cards and also ends with a set of gorgeous Easter cards. The ones you see up on screen now were created by Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts. I am loving the wood grain paper and those gorgeous focal points. Weren't those all so lovely? Now you can go check out some of your favorites if you have not yet seen their videos. You can use a playlist, which I'll have linked as an end card here in just a minute, or I do have it down in the description box below. I know that if you haven't had the chance already, they would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.